today we're going to talk about hair restoration. Yeah, I generally advise people to expect about 7 to 10 days of social downtime. We do have to shave the hair back here pretty much almost down to the skin. And then, of course, you're going to have the little grafts that we place all up in the front, assuming that's where you need your hair grafts. It takes about a week for the little scabs to fall off and for your hairline to look normal again. I think most people like to hide away for about a week. After that, it would be very hard to tell that you had the procedure done, aside from, probably having a little bit of a shorter haircut than you normally like to wear.